Hi, Will. Hi. We're trying Greek yogurt for the first time, huh? Yeah, what? How do you like that? Let's see.
Let's see. Yummy.
A little unsure. Not sure how we feel about that.
That wasn't that bad, actually.
Yeah.
A lot better than the first one. That's yummy, huh? Yeah, it's Greek yogurt. Not even Mommy would eat this, but she's feeding it to you. Buddy, you're so fun. Yeah, down the hatch. How much do you love Greek yogurt? Yeah, it's good stuff for you, buddy. It's got probiotics and protein. You hamming it up for the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Down the hatch, buddy. All right.
Oh, I can't stop laughing when he does that. It's like making the whole video shake.
Yeah, you're toughing through it though, buddy. Yeah. You know that it must be good for you because it doesn't taste very good, huh? Most things are He's like, get that away from me. No crying yet. Oh, yeah, I saw an opening. Oh, no.
Rejected.
Jeez. Okay.
Alright, maybe we'll try mixing it with something else.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to mix this.
He's like, yes, I like that idea. I like that idea of mixing it with something else.